If you are looking for a rotary shaver, Philips shavers are impressive. In fact, Philips shavers would be your final destination for those who love the most innovative features in rotary shavers. Except for trimmer and body groomer, Philips is primarily into rotary shavers and they are the best. Choosing between rotary and foil shaver is mostly about how well your skin and hair adapt to each kind of shaver. But rotary shaver works best for those with facial hairs in different directions with very less uniformity. This kind of hair pattern is common in the neck areas. A lot of electric shaver reviews would point to rotary shavers as an ideal choice when you want a quiet shaver. Modern top electric shavers are very efficient and powerful. Some of it can give you a close shave just like the blade, but they can be noisy, especially the foil shavers. If you prefer a quiet shaving, then rotary shaver is the best.
Yeah.